Okay, this is an update. It's not a big one, but it's got some stuff going on. Um, I've got all my, not all, but a lot of my Menards track laid out. That stuff is awesome. It's inexpensive, high quality, and I'm just playing with some different sizes on the ground. The kids play with it with me, and basically trying to figure out what I'm going to do for modules, how much space. The outside loop is a 072 radius, and I picked up some, when I was there, I picked up some more boxcars. All these ones, all the boxcars here are Menards. They're awesome, 25 bucks US each. So got a little bit of O-scale coming through. So I'm going to give you an update on the end. So I got everything blocked and put away. I don't have these exactly, the carts where I want them. Sorry, this is a disaster, but I've got 3 carts in here, and this is the blocking that I'm talking about. So everything's safe. All the wires are tied up with Velcro and the cords, and then basically sometimes she puts laundry on there. I've got 2 of these IKEA tables left, and this cart hasn't been used yet. So I've got some modifications to do to this one because it's taller than the others for some reason. I don't know why. This K-line locomotive, I'm going to get to the end scale in a second, started smoking, basically had a short, so I'm going to get that sent off for repair. It's one of the TMCC ones, I guess. So anyway, and it was a great locomotive when it ran. Needs a new board, I think, or there's a short inside of it somehow, so we'll get that repaired. And I just finished assembling these roundhouse 1800s or late 1800s passenger cars, and I got my little Northern Pacific Mogul on there, and these Arnold ones as well that came a while back. These came not too long ago, I don't know, probably a month. They've been sitting. I have been just working nonstop. So, but I just finished assembling them, including the photography car. Let's give you a kind of a zoomed in view of that. And it's got the wheels that they came with on them right now. They're not great, but better than nothing. Store in Calgary found my other Mogul, my UP one, and my Pacific, and they've got the DCC, so those are on the way now. And then I've got a bunch of stuff at Pfeiffer that'll be coming next, so get that cleared up, and just been kind of catching up on everything. So I haven't done any scenery in here, but there's lots of scenery videos if you check out my channel. But this is one of the things I've been working on. I want some old school stuff. I'm thinking about putting a really high line out of Flex-Track, not Unitrack, up on top of this mountain somewhere, like have another set of trestles, another line higher. Why not? And there's the tugboat. If you haven't seen that, I don't know if I showed it. So I'll get back into this pretty soon. Only the bottom level's really clean. I've been last working on the scenery up here, so finished some of the mountain there. I've been doing a lot of organizing. This is obviously, as it says, Los Angeles and Las Vegas track. Got specific bins, all the nuts and bolts, everything's organized. Doesn't look like much, but it was a pain, and now everything is a kit. So basically I've had limited time in here. Whoops. So just been doing lots of work. I'm past my conductor part 2 exams and all that. I'm just waiting to qualify now. This week and last week is working in the yard, and been on the road lots. So, all right, so I'll leave it at that. There is a bunch more N scale stuff coming, and once it does, I can kind of start up on the scenery in the bottom. This where this turntable is going to go. So once that comes, then I can kind of confirm that I want to leave that 4% in there. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. Have a good one, and we'll be in touch soon.